So yeah, hello everyone, and I hope all of you are really great. Sorry for the delay in starting the class, but I hope my voice is perfectly audible to you all. So yeah, let us begin our lecture. Just give me 2 minutes. Am I clearly audible and visible? Can anyone confirm, please? Okay, my phone is not working. I don't know exactly why. So I feel I am clearly audible. Yes, thank you, Karthikeyan, for confirming that. And let us start our series. So, yes, today we are going to discuss profit, loss, and discount. Yes. So, okay. Now, my dear students, let us. Today's lecture will be slightly long. Today's lecture will be slightly long. So, yes, today I will solve this question. A person bought a car for rupees 3 lakh. 3 lakh or loss of 20%. Then how did money spent to buy the car? I hope there, right? Okay. A shopkeeper sells an article. However, when at 20, he faces same. Understood? Is it now, my dear students? The next question, important and quite unique question, was you should practice all the which were asked in CDS as well as other. For example, you can keep a tap on is CAP for better understanding. Understood this thing? All these questions should be considered for the is equal to selling. What is the profit? All these three questions we will discuss later on, but as well we will discuss the formula. So, my dear students, anything you buy in the market, right? So, please remember there will be three, that is MRP, sometimes also MRP. Second one is selling price at which you, and the third price is cost price at which shopkeeper. Please remember buying price for shopkeeper, price at which goods are sold. Please remember. For example, you go understood. Now you listen. So let us say that there is a paracetamol doctor has recommended. Paracetamol. So now I think I am online and perfectly audible and visible to everyone. So yeah, let us begin our lecture afresh. So I told you three questions which I will come back again and again read. Clear? Okay. Now my dear students, I was talking about cost price, selling price and MRP or mark price. So my dear students, please remember that suppose I want to go to market and buy a certain item. Let us say I want to buy a laptop. I want to buy a laptop. So what will happen? The person will show me, okay, yes, this printed price is, let us say, rupees 2 lakh. MRP is 2 lakh. So shopkeeper will show me, okay, sir, see, this is the MRP. But I won't pay 2 lakh. I will start negotiating with him. So what will happen? Let us say selling price will come out to be 1.5 lakh, at which I will buy the laptop. So laptop's cost price for me will be 1.5 lakh, but please remember, For shopkeeper it will be selling price. For shopkeeper it will be selling price. But you also know that shopkeeper is not doing charity work, right? Shopkeeper is not doing charity work, and obviously he must have bought it for something less than 1.5 lakh. Let us presume that that price at which shopkeeper bought this thing was rupees 1 lakh. This is called cost price. Understood this thing? Everyone understood this thing? So I hope everyone is understanding how this thing fluctuates. Now my dear students, this should be the ideal position. This should be the ideal position. Please remember the difference between these two will be profit. Will be profit. The difference between these two will be profit. And this difference between these two will be called discount. I hope every one of you is agreeing with me on this part. Every one of you is agreeing on this part with me, right? So profit and discount, these two things are clear in your mind, right? Shopkeeper will not tell me, okay sir, I am earning this much profit. He will tell me, sir, I am giving you this much discount. Sir, I am giving you this much discount. Understood this thing? Now my dear students, there can be another circumstance where due to some XYZ reason a person might be forced to sell certain product below its cost price. For example, let us say that you bought some mangoes. Let us say you are a mango seller. For example, let us presume that a mango seller has bought some mangoes, let us say at rupees 100 per kg, rupees 100 per kg. But due to change in season or maybe influx of too much mango, next day the prices dropped. Prices dropped to, let us say, 80 rupees per kg. So what will happen? Can this mango seller now sell that mango at rupees 100 per kg still? Obviously no, right? Obviously no. He will require to sell it for 80 rupees per kg. Understood? So my dear students, that is why we are saying that, what we are saying, okay, the person will incur a loss. What is happening in loss? You can see that in loss, the cost price is greater than selling price. Understood? In profit, selling price is greater than cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price. Understood this thing? Now my dear students, the next part is profit is equal to SP minus CP and loss is equal to CP minus SP. I hope all of you are clear on this part. The second and most important concept in this arena is, please remember, both of these are calculated with respect to your cost price. Understood? Both of these are calculated with respect to cost price. Why I am saying cost price? Because my dear students, you will be required to calculate profit percentage. So whenever you will calculate percentage, you will put cost price as the base price. Please remember, the base will be always cost price. So you have to find what is the base, that is cost price. Please remember, this is extremely important. What happens many a time, students in confusion, instead of this cost price, put it as selling price and everything goes rogue. Understood? Same way, loss percentage, if I will talk, it will be loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Understood? But there is a catch. Small catch is there. Please remember, when we will talk about discount, what is discount? I have shown you on the diagram itself. Discount means MP, that is marked price minus selling price. Marked price minus selling price. So discount percentage, when I will calculate, please remember, discount percentage when I will calculate, it will be equal to discount divided by what? Selling price or marked price? My dear students, it will be marked price. Please remember, it will always be marked price multiplied by 100. So please remember, discount is always calculated with respect to marked price. Please remember, this will save your life throughout the chapter. So never ever mess up with these formulas. These basic formulas are extremely important, and obviously you can substitute. For example, profit percentage can also be written as SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. Loss percentage can be written as equal to CP minus SP upon CP into 100. Understood? What I am doing, loss upon CP was there, so I just substituted the loss formula over here. Understood? Here what you can write, SP upon CP minus 1 into 100, minus 1 into 100. Here you can write it 1 minus SP upon CP into 100. So basic mathematical jugglery I am doing. I am not doing anything rocket science. Understood? Same with discount. If I will talk about D percentage is equal to marked price minus selling price upon marked price multiplied by 100. So this will be equal to 1 minus SP upon MP into 100. Is it clear? Understood by everyone? Okay. So yes, my dear students, that was the basic part. Now let us move on towards us. If A sells an article to B at A% profit or loss, and B sells it to C at B% loss, profit and loss, then total profit or loss in this case will be equal to A plus minus B plus minus AB upon 100. Please remember, here also you can add plus minus. Why? Because if the profit is there, let us say first one is profit, A is profit, A is profit. So what you will use? You will use plus A. If A is loss percentage, then in that case you will use minus A percentage. Understood? Everyone understood this formula? It is like successive two loss and percentages are there. Two losses or two profit percentage are there. So equivalent percentage or something like that can be found out using this. But please remember, I have always told you that never ever over rely on formulas. है ना? Never ever over rely on formulas. Always rely on your basics. है ना? So basics, I have taught you these basics. These are extremely important. Please rely on these first. And once you will practice enough, you will slowly understand, okay, under these circumstances, I can apply these. Under these circumstances, I can't apply this. Understood? If the selling of two similar articles is same, understood? Selling price, sorry, here you can amend it. Selling price of two similar objects or articles is same. P percentage of profit and P percentage of loss is obtained by selling those articles, then there is always a loss of P square upon 100. For example, let us say that I bought a table for rupees 750 and a chair for rupees 750. So both of them are for rupees 750. Please remember, both of them are for rupees 750. Now let us say that I sold this table for rupees, so 10% profit, for 10%. Sorry, this was the selling price, right? I'm really sorry, not cost price. Please remember, let us say that, I'm really sorry, I will repeat the whole thing. Yes. Let us say that I sold two objects. One was table and another one was chair. And SP for both of these are rupees, let us say 100. Rupees 100. Please remember, rupees 100. In first case, let us presume that you earned 10% profit, and in selling chair, you earned 10% loss. Due to XYZ reason, you earned 10% loss. So my dear students, in overall, what you will do, what you will get, please remember, if SP is same, what I am saying, SP is same, in that case, what will happen? You will incur overall loss. Overall loss will be there. Please remember, overall loss will be there. And what will be the unit? 10 into 10 divided by 100. So please remember, overall 1% loss will be there to you. Understood? Overall 1% loss will be there. Clear? But my dear students, suppose now CP is same. Let us say a table for the when I went to buy a table and a chair. So both of them costed me rupees 750, right? When I sold, please remember, CP is now same. Now when I sold this table, what I did, here both of these were, please remember, selling price. Here both of these are cost price. When I sold this, I earned 10% profit, and when I sold this chair, I lost 10%. My dear students, in this case, overall profit or loss will be zero, will be equal to 0. Please remember, if CP is same, then both, if one object is given X% loss and another object is given X% profit, in that case, both will have 0% profit or loss. Understood? There will be no profit, no loss. Understood? But SP is same, the situation will turn around. Why? The answer lies in basics. You have to explore. If you are not able to get it, please let me know. I will explain it. Understood? Okay. A dishonest shopkeeper sells his goods at cost price but uses false weight, then profit percentages. This is the second type of question which is often asked in the examination. Please remember here, original weight minus false weight upon false weight into 100 is the will be the answer. So you should try to solve this out. This question can also be solved using basics. We had discussed it, how to apply basics, but right now since it is revision class, I am going through the formulas for quick revision. Understood? Now my dear students, suppose there is third type of question which is often asked in these questions, these exams. Cost price of X mangoes is equal to selling price of Y mangoes. Profit is equal to how much? X minus Y upon 100. So please remember here, SP seemingly is in base. SP seemingly is in base, but it is not always the case. Understood? Why is it so? You will see how can we solve it. These kind of question via basics. I have picked up one such type of question so that you can understand how to apply basics. But even if you remember this shortcut trick, you will be able to solve it very quickly. Understood? So yeah, my dear students, let us go back to our questions and we will try to solve it. First, let me showcase you this question so that you can understand, okay, how to apply that X minus Y upon Y. So it is saying that cost price of 100 mango is equal to mangoes is equal to selling price of 80 mangoes. Okay, 100 mangoes and 80 mangoes. So yes, what is the profit percentage? My dear students, what you can do, we can presume that, okay, let us say that this is equal to 100. Let us presume that. Why 100? Because 100 divided by 100 will become 1. So you know that cost price of one mango is equal to rupees 100 for 100 mangoes. So obviously baat hai, divided by 100. So it will become rupees 1 per mango, right? Now my dear students, SP of one mango. How to find? 80 mangoes SP is equal to rupees 100. 80 mangoes SP. So rupees 100 divided by 80, right? So that will be somewhere equal to 1.25, right? Rupees 1.25 per mango, right? Rupees 1.25. Now my dear students, we have SP, we have CP, and now we can find profit percentage. Profit percentage will be simply equal to SP. Since SP is greater than CP, there will be profit. So SP minus CP upon CP into 100, that is equal to 1.25 minus 1 divided by 1 into 100, right? So this will be 25% profit. 25% profit will be equal to D. Now my dear students, let us apply the formula. X was nothing but CP of X mangoes and Y was SP. So my dear students, here you will see that 100 minus 80 divided by 80 is equal to 20 by 80 into 100. So that will become 4 and this will become 25. Understood? 25%. Is it clear? Understood? So this is nothing but D. This is nothing but D. Understood? So both way, I hope all of you understood how to apply shortcut trick as well as basics. If you forget the shortcut trick, go for basics. Okay. Now a shopkeeper sells an article at rupees 40 and gets X% profit. He is selling something at rupees 40. However, when he sells it at rupees 20, he gets the same percentage of loss. What is the original cost of the article? So please remember, 40 rupees is SP1, right? And then SP2 is rupees 20, right? He must have bought something in the middle, because here he is incurring loss and here he is incurring profit, right? So CP will be somewhere in between. This is clear and logical. Now profit percentage and loss percentage are equal and CP is same. Please remember, CP is same. That means, let us say whatever is the profit percentage or loss, the CP will be somewhere in the mid. So let us try 30. So you know that profit is equal to 10 rupees and loss will be equal to minus 10 rupees. So now you can see that 10 by 30 into 100 will be profit and 10 by 30 into 100 will be loss. So that is why 30 will be the correct answer, and that is why 30 is the correct answer. Understood? C. What is the original cost of the article? It is nothing but rupees 30. Is it clear? Understood? Okay. Now let us try this question from 2020. A person bought a car and sold it for rupees 3 lakh. If he incurred a loss of 20%, then how much did he spend to buy the car? Right? 3 lakh he has sold it for, right? He has incurred a loss of 20%. So my dear students, please remember, here loss percentage, L percentage is equal to 20. Now you know that SP minus CP upon CP into 100, right? So that is the answer. Sorry, CP minus SP will be there, right? CP minus SP will be there. So 20 is equal to 1 minus SP upon CP into 100, right? I can write it like that. Now let me put it over here. So this will become 0.2, right? And it will become 1 minus SP upon CP, right? So now I will change the sides. SP upon CP is equal to 1 minus 0.2. So this will become SP is equal to 0.8 times CP, 0.8 times CP. So this will be divided, and by that you will get this answer. If you want to go shortcut, so what will happen? 1 plus profit or loss percentage, so loss percentage divided 1 minus, it will become divided by 100 into CP is equal to SP. This is nothing but simple jugglery of the mathematical equations to get to the this thing. So please remember, this can also be applied P percentage of basic formulas only. Basic formulas, if you will do mathematical jugglery, you will get this thing. Understood? 1 plus P percentage into CP is equal to SP. 1 minus L percentage into CP is equal to SP. So with that, if you will apply this formula, it will be directly 0.8 times CP is equal to SP. SP is given, so CP is equal to SP upon 0.8. I hope this is clear. With that, you will get D as correct answer. I hope this is extremely clear to you all. And yes, with that, I will come to our next section. That is the last part. I will give you some assignments which you all have to solve. Understood? So the first question for you to solve is this one. Please take screenshot. Please take screenshot of this question quickly. Here you have to apply basics. Don't try to apply A plus B or minus B plus minus whatever was there, A, B upon 100, right? Please don't try to apply this thing, because you will get wrong answer. So that is why I am talking about exceptions. I am talking about basics, because if you will try to go and directly tackle these kind of things, you will get some negative marks. You may get some negative marks. So please make sure that you are working rightly. Please try to apply your basics. Understood? Try to understand what question is actually asking. Clear? Second question is this one. Second question is this one. This is slightly more reasoning oriented question rather than profit or loss oriented question. So now please try this question as well. My humble request will be, please try this question. This will help you to prepare for uncertainties. Understood? Okay. I hope you all have taken a screenshot of this question. Now my dear students, this is the last question which I am giving you all to solve. So if Sohan, while selling 2 goats at the same price, please remember here he is selling 2 goats at the same price. So the situation has changed. Now SP is same. SP is same, right? And profit of 10% on one goat and loss of 10% on another. Now you have to tell which one is correct. I hope most of you will be able to tell it even now also, because it is the same question I have solved previously, right? So yes, my dear students, with that I end this lecture. I hope you have liked it. If you have genuinely loved the session, please like, share and subscribe. Also comment below your queries, doubts, feedback. So yeah, with that I end this session. Thank you for attending, and there was a glitch, so thank you for being patient as well. Yes, Karthikeyan, you are very correct. Loss of 1% will be there, and that is the correct answer. Thank you and have a great day ahead.